Theme set templates allow you to create custom themes built around keywords that you specify and automatically sort thoughts from your exchanges into them. Theme set templates make theming faster, more accurate, more consistent across exchanges, and fully customized to your exchanges in your organization. Once created, theme set templates can be applied to any and all exchanges that you create with just a few clicks. To get started working with theme set templates, we'll just click the Profile button in the top right-hand corner of the screen and select Room Settings. We'll land here in our Templates tab, right on the Theme Set Templates tab that we're interested in. As you can see, there are a number of other template types that we can create: survey questions, participation groups, objectives, but for the purposes of this demo, we're going to focus on theme set templates. Here we can see all of the theme set templates that have already been created for this room, and I can take a deep dive into the themes themselves and the keywords associated with each by clicking the drop-down icon here. To create a new theme set template, I'll just click the Add Template button here. I have the option to create an entirely new template or copy an existing one from another room on the same account or from the example templates under the ThoughtExchange heading at the top of the dialog box here. To create a new template, I will, unsurprisingly, choose the Create New option. By default, any theme set templates you create will be shareable across rooms, meaning that other leaders within your organization will be able to see and copy your theme set using the Copy From option we just explored. If I would like to make my theme set only exist in the room that I'm currently working in, I can select the Make Template Private option here. For this demo, I'll leave this unchecked. I can also define a language for my theme set template using the drop-down menu here. If I'm running a single language exchange in English, French, or Spanish, this allows me to quickly apply a relevant template. If I'm running a multi-language exchange, the software will theme in English, and I can translate the theme names later in the results dashboard. The first thing I need to do is give my theme set a name. And now I can begin to define the themes I want to be a part of this template, as well as any keyword I want to use to help guide the AI in sorting thoughts into these themes. The AI uses both the keywords and the theme name to sort thoughts, so try to use simple, concise, jargon-free language to get the best results. I can create themes based on the thoughts I've seen in my exchange already, based on the results of past exchanges, based on things I had in mind before running the exchange, things I'm required to report on, or anything else I like. To add keywords or phrases, I can simply enter what I would like the software to look for in the thoughts, keeping in mind that the AI will look for exact matches, root words, variants, and tenses of each. After each word or phrase, I can hit the Enter key to create that keyword. Each keyword I've added appears below the text box with an X option if I later decide I want to remove it. I can add up to 19 themes to each theme set and create up to 100 keywords for each theme. I can have up to 30 theme set templates in one room. It's a good idea to periodically hit the Save button as you work, and when you finish creating your theme set template, you can click Save and Close. I can also create a theme set template from the results dashboard of one of my exchanges if I've manually created a theme set I'd like to be able to use again. So here I'll click the results dashboard for this exchange. I'll navigate to the Edit Results tool where I can build custom theme sets, and I'll select this theme set, New Theme Set, that I've created previously. If I click the Options button, I have the option to copy as a template. If I select that option, then navigate back to my Templates menu, I will see that theme set now appears at the top of the list of available templates. It's as easy as that. The software even includes some example keywords to get you started. It pulls these from the thoughts that you've already sorted into these themes. To apply a theme set template to an exchange, all we need to do is click the Apply button next to the template of our choice. That will open a list of all the exchanges in this room that I'm the leader of. I can also click Other Exchanges to see engagements that are being run by other leaders. I can apply the theme set to any of these exchanges simply by clicking the checkbox associated with that exchange. I'll click the Apply button at the bottom of the menu when I'm done. And now the template is being applied. This might take a few minutes to complete depending on the size of the exchange and the complexity of the theme set. But once my theme set is applied, I can view it here in the drop-down menu under the Topics section of my exchange, just like any other theme set. If I would like to move a few thoughts from one theme to another or make any changes to the applied theme set, I can do that here in the Edit Results tool. I can't change the AI-generated theme set directly, so I'll start by clicking the Options menu and selecting the Duplicate Theme Set option. This will allow me to create a copy of the theme set template that I've applied. All I need to do is give it a new name. I just need to provide a new title for the version I'll be making changes to, then I'll click Save. Now I can select my copied theme set from the drop-down menu here and make changes as I would to any other theme set. If you need more information on how to use the Edit Results tool, check out our help article specifically covering that topic on our help site, get.thoughtexchange.help. So that's a quick overview of how to work with theme set templates. This is a feature that can save leaders loads of time and create more consistency in working with results across exchanges. We hope you found this video useful. Until next time, happy thought exchanging!